babies, welcome back. So jumping right into this video, this is going to be a natural hair update. As you guys can see, I have pretty much posted quite a bit of content about wigs, weaves, braids, sew-ins, like everything, quick weaves, I guess everything you could possibly think of regarding like hair extensions and kind of like protective styles, right? So I just wanted to pop in to give you guys a really quick update on my natural hair, what it's doing, what it's been looking like, what I've been doing, what I need to do, and just kind of getting everything together for any of you guys that are wondering. So as you guys can see, my hair is completely straightened. We call it like a silk press. So I did go ahead and visit the salon yesterday. I'll definitely make sure to leave all of the details down below for the guy that I visited. But as you guys know, I do already do like at-home methods, treatments, so on and so forth. So I just really went to go get a really good trim. If you guys have seen any of my straightening videos, you guys would know that I do straighten my hair probably about every, well, you guys don't really see it, but I straighten my hair maybe every 4 to 6 months, and then I'll go ahead and do a light trim. When I say a light trim, it almost pisses you guys off. So much of a light trim that I do. So it's literally like me dusting the end. So like for example, if this was the hair I was gonna cut and I needed to cut off where my finger is, I would probably cut off here. The reason that I do that is because I'm literally just wanting to get rid of those very light hairs. Now ultimately, it could be me just avoiding wanting to cut that much off. Or it's just a matter of I know that I'm not going to be able to cut it exactly perfect. And instead of me going to the salon, y'all, I almost hate getting my hair done. No. Literally almost hate getting my hair done by anyone else. So the guy that I'm going to link down below, his name is Shamir. And he is amazing. So amazing colors, amazing cuts, and just kind of getting you in and out in a really quick way. But anyway, like I said, I'll leave all his details down below. He is located in Atlanta, in the Buckhead area. He's awesome. Shamir, I love you. Anyway, but yeah, so that's literally the only person that I trust touching my hair. Him, and outside of him, maybe for weaves, there is a woman named Zalika. I'll leave her information. She actually owns a salon. I believe it's like in the McDonough area, so I'll leave that down. That's also in Georgia, if you guys are wondering. So I'll leave those two people below. So then that way you have a point of contact. I get a lot of questions asking, do I take appointments? Do I take clients? So on and so forth. You guys, I love doing hair. I just don't exactly love doing other people's hair, if that makes sense. I'm not at a point in my life where that's just what I want to commit to. I'm focusing more on like I guess just myself and working on my business on the side of like YouTube, personal, of course. I'm finishing my degree, and then also just like getting ready to launch this wig line. And I mean, I already do the custom wigs, so I do have kinda sorta I guess a business going right now where it's like ForeverCryssy.com is the website. What I do is resell any of the wigs that I've been like using or wearing just in the past, I don't know, year, month, week, so on and so forth. I put new and lightly used units. When I say lightly used, whenever you see me film a video, more than likely that initial video is literally it. That's the time that I wear the hair. If I do decide to do like a review, I'll try to wear the hair for about a week or two just to kind of get a feel for it. But for the most part, most of my wigs go up onto that website and they get resold. So if you guys didn't know that, there's a website for you to reach out. I can make you a custom wig, and it's a lot cheaper than if you was to, you know, go purchase a hair, send it to me, so on and so forth. Anyway, let me get this back to my natural hair because y'all know I will go on a tangent. So what have I been using? As of right now, I just kind of want to show you what my hair looks like. My hair was silk pressed out. We did go ahead and deep condition. I got like kind of like a moisture treatment, or kind of sat under the dryer, so a deep conditioning treatment, which was well needed. He did kind of put me onto this product, which I'll reveal to you guys in another video on my update straightening video, which I will show you how to get a full silk press. Again, just an updated video on that. I'll show you the details and kind of give you that secret, but this is what my hair looks like right now. Alright, so that's where we are lengthwise. If you guys have been following me from the beginning, you guys would really just kind of appreciate, because I know I'm appreciating this growth and being able to retain that. Before I went to get my hair trimmed yesterday, or cut yesterday, I did already take off an inch. So when my hair was in the cornrows, it was about 4 cornrows. It was kind of uneven. I took about an inch off within the braids, and then when I actually got it trimmed yesterday, he ended up taking off about another inch. So not a big deal. I got the trim that I actually needed. And yeah, so we're just gonna start from here. I will be releasing a series of like protective style videos, so it'll be the faux locks, updated version, actual real tutorial, and then it'll be the Senegalese twist, it'll be the chunkier ones. Last time I did kind of thin / chunky ones, and then it'll be box braids, but those will be a lot more sleek, long. You guys will love that one. So anyway, that will come out. But what I've been using so far at home to like wash and condition my hair is the Aussie Moist. This is gonna be the cheapest conditioner that I can find that actually does the job. I can't actually find, maybe I'm out of it, I don't know, but I have a deep conditioner, and it's like a 3-minute moisture treatment. It's literally just a deep conditioner. It's in a smaller bottle than these two, but it literally takes my hair from super dry and brittle to recover, like literally in 3 minutes or less. I don't know. The moment I put it on my hair is fine. I'll leave that in for about 15 minutes, although like I said, it works in 3 minutes, but I'll leave it on for about 15 minutes, rinse it out, and then I go in with my shampoo, conditioner, and then I do that deep conditioning treatment again. So my hair is really dry. But the reason for that is because I don't really drink that much water. So if you guys know or don't know, water is going to be the main source for everything regarding your body. Hair, skin, nails, insides, outside, like everything. I'm not a nutritionist or anything like that, but water does do the trick. What I need to work on at this point, and you guys can kind of help hold me accountable, is to drink more water. To me, it's just hard. It's not like I'm substituting water to drink like something else, so I'm not like drinking like, you know, juice or pop or anything like that. It's just that I don't drink a lot of liquids at all. I literally, like right now, no, seriously, like right now, this is crazy. So I literally only drink water or any liquid when I'm extremely thirsty, which is, y'all, I feel bad even saying that, but it's true. I don't drink a lot of the liquids at all. So that's what I need to get better on, just with my liquid intake in general, regardless of what it is. But ideally you will want to go for the water. So the only water that I drink when I'm drinking water, if it's not faucet water, which I don't know why I love faucet water, but it is so good in Georgia. In Chicago, it's a no-go. New York, no-go. Anywhere else, no-go. I just love Georgia's faucet water. I don't know why, but other than that, it's Aquafina, so this is my go-to. What technically, my water intake for each day should be about 4 bottles. 4 to 6 bottles, I guess, 6 being on the high end, but really 4 bottles of water a day, this size, should be fine. So technically what I need to be doing is drinking 2 bottles of this by 12 o'clock, and then by 6 o'clock have already drank my other 2 bottles. That way anything else throughout the night or, you know, towards the evening is already just like extra. So that's kind of what I'm having to work myself into. I'm on bottle number 2 this morning, so we're doing good so far, so good. And then also I picked up this deep Shea Moisture treatment. I use this every so often when my hair really needs a lot of moisture. So this is to strengthen, grow, and restore your hair. It has shea butter, peppermint, and keratin in it. And of course it does kind of have some things that you don't necessarily need in your hair. But outside of that, my best friend for my skin and my hair is going to be coconut oil. So the coconut oil that I've been picking up is just the refined. It's expeller pressed, and it's like organic virgin coconut oil, unrefined. This one says medium heat. I guess it's for like if you want us to cook it, like, you know, at what temperature does it melt. That would actually help you for if you're trying to mix like a butter or, you know, a body butter or something like that, to kind of determine how well it's gonna melt and just kind of be smooth. But none of that matters to me. As long as it's unrefined, I'm cool. And so this is the one that I picked up out of Walmart. It's in a glass bottle. It's by Spectrum. But I also found, when I couldn't find the Spectrum one, it's just an organic, and this is the Great Value one from Walmart. Literally, they do the same thing. So coconut oil, unrefined, yeah, virgin coconut oil, best friend. And so I use this literally on my skin and my hair. As you guys know, I do a lot of protective styles, so I do the cornrows and things like that. and I just literally put the coconut oil all through my hair, and I'm usually good. If you want to do a oil treatment, I know a lot of people kind of have stepped away from that, but I still do them every so often. So a hot oil treatment, I will melt down coconut oil, put it all through my scalp, let that sit for about an hour, and then go through my wash and condition routine. So that's just a tip for you. And then also what I use to kind of shine my hair, so when I do straighten it out like this, I think Shamir used the Paul Mitchell, it's like a silk serum. That's awesome, but it's a lot more expensive. If you're at home, my cream of nature, y'all know I use this religiously. So it's like for my wigs, my weaves, the whole 9 yards. This is my best friend. This is what I'm using when I'm not using anything else. So it's just a light spray. As you can see, it sprays like that, and I literally just like, well, no, usually I put it in my hands, and then I put it in my hair, and I go, and it's shiny, and I'm good to go. But yeah, favorite product of all time. All right, so that's pretty much sums it up for products. I don't use a lot of products in my hair. If I'm gonna be styling, more than likely it's gonna be the cream of nature, argan oil, some type of something. Whether it's gonna be, I stopped using the shampoo and conditioner because it just stopped working on my hair, but it may be like their what am I trying to say, their edge control. Outside of that, yeah, you know, their styling gel, like eco type of styler gel, and that's pretty much it for products. And then what I'm now going to start incorporating, just to kind of follow me along with this like water and getting healthy and, you know, just living your best life type of journey, is going to be some hair, skin, and nails. So basically I've been using my hair, skin, and nail vitamins. For a long period of time I have been using the hair, skin, and nails, like the chewy vitamins. Don't really know what I did with the container, but it was like a, I'm not sure what brand it was. However, I was recently contacted by Hair Infinity, and so they did go ahead and allow me to choose if I wanted to do the pill or the gummy, and so I selected the gummy. So I'll be doing these. I believe this is a month's supply. I'm gonna go ahead and take these. I guess I'm supposed to be taking 2 gummies a day, and you're supposed to take with food, so I don't know if it, you know, would make you hungry or exactly what, or it doesn't want to upset your stomach, not sure. However, I'll try this just to see how my hair grows. My hair, to be honest, my hair grows decently. Maybe within a month it will grow about a ½ inch, which is normal. Like, that's normal hair growth, nothing different. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys see where my hair is now, right? So you see where it is now, and then I'm gonna take these for a month, and then after the month I'll do another straightening routine video. Oh, that's perfect. That'll be the perfect setup. So I'll take this for this month. What's today? Today is March 15th, so a month from today, so April the 15th, what I'll do is do another straightening video for you guys and just give you an update on the Hair Infinity to let you know how it's been working for me. Is it working? Is it not working? And if so, you know, did it accelerate the process of my hair growing? Did it let my nails grow? And then of course, you know, what is my skin looking like? Because y'all know all that biotin and stuff, it works for your skin, nails, but I'm saying your skin. It works for your hair, your nails, but usually that side effect is like breakouts. Y'all, my skin has been flourishing, and I don't have time for a breakout, okay? So we'll see what happens. But yeah, other than that, those are the products. I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I needed to tell you? Oh, how do I maintain my straight hair? So to be completely honest, I really don't. I kind of like when it starts to get a little poofy and a little bit of body to it and still straight. Just, it's like a weird combination of like silk, but then also like it's just kind of full at the same time. I don't like it really silky, but what I do is wrap my hair at night. So I'll just take a big powder brush and, you know, wrap it around into a circle, and then I have this like scrunchie. Where is it? Okay, so I have one of these. It's like a wrap tool, right? And it's satin or whatever. I do have another one. It's like a scrunchy band, and I would literally slide it on my hair and spin it around to kind of mold my wrap. So same thing with this. You literally just put it around. Like, obviously I'm not wearing it like this, right? But my hair is wrapped, and then I put this around it, and then I put a bonnet on top. However, lately apparently the temperature in my house has been too hot, so I've been having night sweats. I know, that's for another conversation. So last night, mind you guys, I just got my hair straightened yesterday. When I woke up this morning, my hair was wrapped. I took a steaming hot shower. I do everything you're not supposed to do, which is so interesting because I'm here to give you beauty tips and hair tips. But when it comes to heat damage, when it comes to water intake, like everything that you're supposed to do, I'll give you advice on it because I know what you're supposed to do and I know that it works, but I don't use it for myself. Coloring techniques, all that stuff, I don't care. Like, I just be feeling like, okay, it's hair, I'll cut it off, it'll grow back. Like, I want to be experimenting with my hair, like whatever. So anyway, I woke up this morning and literally after that shower, this whole entire side was like poofy and straight at the end. And I'm just like, after all that hard work, that's why this side is a little bit more full than this. Is because I lightly went through just to kind of straighten it a little bit, nothing too crazy. But yeah, outside of that, I did actually put a rinse in my hair. I used the Adore rinse. I believe this video should actually be up after the little vlog that I'll show you before I go to the hair salon for how I rinse my hair at home or whatever. But yeah, I put that Adore rinse in it and it gave me this really pretty, nice and natural, like dark, it's supposed to be black, but it's more like a really dark brown. On camera it looks black, like a blue black. I'm not really sure if it looks like that in real life, but to me it looks like a really dark brown. Anyway, that's pretty much it. All the details that I have on my hair. I plan to do like some really sleek looks since my hair is straight. To me, it works a lot better when you're trying to do those cute little ponytails. You sleek it back. Yeah, so that'll be cute. I'll definitely do some videos like that, but other than that, guys, I think this is pretty much it. Leave any comments or questions down below. Is there anything that I forgot? If so, I'll actually respond to you guys to make sure that I post another video including anything that I did forget, if you guys are wondering. But other than that, I think that's it. I'll be doing that updated straightening video for you guys to give you all the details there for how to go from really coarse, thick, curly hair to voila. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a lengthy video, but I love you so much. Stay pretty. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you next time. Bye.